guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. Now this was inspired by my August Boxy Charm because everything I received there was about getting like that dewy, like just glowy skin, and I keep talking with my hands. But I just wanted something bright and glam but yet not too dark. So if you guys have the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, this is what it looks like in case you guys don't have it at home or in case you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you have this, then take it out and let's recreate this look. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply like my base for my eyes. So I'm going to be using this concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear and I believe this is in the color NC20. So I'm just going to be using this concealer brush. This is the Morphe B10. Just going to grab some of that. I'm just going to be applying this all over the lid, and I'm also going to bring it up to like the eyebrow area. So with this brush here, this is the Sigma E45 brush. I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. And now I'm going to be applying this on my crease, going back and forth. Now with this JH40 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges for now. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this color right here. And I'm going to apply this on top of that color to blend it out. And that's going to become my transition color. And I'm going to apply this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is in the color Celestial. And I'm just going to apply this on my eyelid. And this is definitely going to give you a bling effect, which I am obsessed with. So I'm just going to use the applicator that it comes with to apply. But then I am going to use a different brush to go ahead and blend this out. Now with this brush here, this is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. And I'm going to put this on the first half of the eye. Now when I get here to the center, that's kind of where I'm going to stop because I will be applying a different color on the other half. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this color right here and I'm going to apply this on the other half. I'm just blending in that coral color towards more of the inner part, but I still want to have this like lighter part in here, if you know what I'm saying. For the same brush again, I'm just going to go over the first shade that we put in because I want that to really pop in the front here. I'm going back with the Sigma E45 brush and with the color that we applied as our crease, and I'm just going to go over the crease again, just so that we can have a little bit of definition and darkness there. Now let's smoke this up a little bit using the JH40 brush. I'm going to grab some of this color right here. I'm going to focus this on the outer part of the eye, bringing it into the crease very little and slowly. With this M511 brush, it has nothing on the brush. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges. Make sure everything is clean and nice blended. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to finish off the eyes. The M432 brush and the dark shade that I applied on the outer part of the eye, I'm going to be applying that also on the lower lashes, and we're going to smoke out this look and also connect here so that everything just looks so well put together. Now back with the JH40 brush. It doesn't really have much on it, you know, whatever we use to do the outer part. I'm just going to go ahead and smoke this out a little bit more. That way it's not just like a line, but I don't want it to be too smoked out and blended out because I don't want to look like a vampire today. So just slowly blend this out. Back with this small brush and the first color we applied on the inner part of the lid, I'm just going to add a little bit more here. That way it kind of looks like I'm adding like an inner corner highlight, but I'm just connecting it. This is the part where the look can change a lot. Now, I don't want to take away the focus of how, you know, like glowy the eyes look right now. So I don't want to add like a black eyeliner. I'm going to be using a brown eyeliner. This is from the NYX. This is a pin liquid liner in the color brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my, as close to my lash line as possible. And then you just pop on some lashes and it is what it is, boo. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys be recreating this look. What other palette you guys would like me to use, or what other color you guys would like me to use from this palette. Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all the goody good stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.